know that 4 months ago when we unveiled the Nokia G20, the reason why I chose it over the Infinix Note 11i was because of stability of software and software upgrade. And we were right. This Nokia G20 now has been updated to Android 12 for the past 1 month plus and has been receiving the latest security update every month. And it will still get the Android 13 and will still get security update for 3 years. So come with me, let's share the Android 12 experience on the Nokia G20. Okay, welcome back again to Smart the Brother. I'm so excited to kickstart on this one. I chose the Nokia G20 over the Infinix Note 11i somewhere earlier this year because of prompt updates and stability of this OS, and Nokia has really delivered on that. So the Android 12 experience changed everything. It made this phone become like new. Everything just transformed from that status bar settings to operations to usage. I'm going to just share my experience with you. The update is over the air update, and I actually didn't even update immediately. I waited for some times to be sure that we weren't complaining. So when you go in there, you can see the Android 12 status bar settings, which is very unique. Not much have changed in the settings, but when you turn on the dark theme, this is where you begin to feel a different feel on this phone. Both in the drawer app, everything just changes. The notification, the settings, they all just change. That quality of the Nokia IPS screen is something else. Now talk about the multitasking, user experience. Everything is just snappy. The design from the Android 12 is just something that I wish everybody should experience. Like, you get a phone, you upgrade your OS, and then you upgrade again. You keep getting security patches, to keep you up to date in terms of security. Now the camera is something else. The camera, I talked about it in the review. I'll put the link in the description for our G20 unboxing and review. But there has been some little tweaks. The dark theme on the camera also is just beautiful. For me, I love dark themes, and there are just one or two additions and a few features there on the camera. But the performance has always been good, and I feel it's a little bit much better on the Android 12 with the post-processing. It's noticeably better than in the Android 11. So if you're a camera lover, I think that's part of the reason why you should, without hesitation, upgrade your Nokia G20 to Android 12 because of that processing. There are a lot of silent refinement even in the settings and in the UI. You will see that in the digital well-being and parental control. You will see that also in safety and emergency, privacy, security. They just added some whole lot of interesting user experience features in this Android 12. Now talking about quality, now the dark theme here, when you were using the screen, you wouldn't believe this is an LCD screen. The beauty of this and dark theme is wonderful. And then you get your security patches. I delayed the one of June, but immediately I finished installing this one, I got a prompt for July. We're already in July, when I was recording this video, and it is that consistency. And when you do these updates, things don't just jump out and start misbehaving. The apps work well, there are no bugs. And then talk about some of the changes also. You will see some changes on the Google One storage. Of course, now you have to pay for storage if you're going to even do your Google Photos. Everything now, your Gmail, all that now are now accumulated in your 15 gigabytes free storage given to you by Google. So that's just about that. The lock screen is something I didn't talk about. The change in the lock screen, bolder, very interesting with cloud. The experience has been just holistic and beautiful. So if you haven't updated your Nokia G20, go check it out. And then I'll put the link in the description for unboxing. And until I see you in the next one, peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.